This is something only me and Neymar can do. Just gotta aim a little bit more to the right.
Yeah, do it. You're right.
Hit from here.
Because you got the curve.
Aim for that last mannequin, because then it's gonna bend out anyway.
Yes, I told you!
I'm just going to show you how crossbar works.
Crossbar works, it's crazy.
Yeah, so basically...
Because Harry's going to fade it, I'll show you after. Go on, look. That's a flop, as you can see. And I'm going to...
It ends with a penalty.
You hit? See all I hit?
No.
See all I...
I done paid Savannah, Keely, Amina, all in a week.